Hello, my name is Dr. Jill Parsons, and I will be your professor for Nursing 609. I wanted to give this brief introductory video so that you could put a face to the name, so that I could encourage you to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. So you can reach out to me via email or cell phone number. My cell phone number is listed under the instructor profile. Please, if you do not hear back from me within 24 hours, please reach out again because generally I do respond within 24 hours. This will be a very busy course, but I expect that you will learn a good deal. We will be focused on the perspectives on teaching and learning. We will be focused on the characteristics of the learner, as well as techniques and strategies for teaching and learning. This will be, again, a very busy course, but I expect you to learn a good deal. If you have any questions or concerns, again, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am readily available. I would encourage you to click on the Orientation and Important Resources tab to hear an introduction to an overview of the course in general. Thanks so much, and again, reach out with questions or concerns. Thank you.